The Cutie Beauty Diaries.
Now let's learn about some good habits. Beauty, let's brush our teeth and go to bed. No, I don't want to brush. No, you should brush your teeth before going to bed every night and in the morning before starting your day. What will happen if I don't brush my teeth? You will get cavities in your teeth and it will hurt you too much. Okay, let's brush. Brush your teeth, brush them twice to keep your teeth healthy and white. Good night, Beauty. No, I don't want to sleep. Let's play. No, Beauty, it's 10 o'clock. We should sleep now. We should sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. Do you know? Early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy and wise. Okay, Cutie, I understood. Let's go to sleep. Good night. Good morning, Beauty. Wake up. Brush your teeth and let's exercise. See? The sun is up and the roosters are calling. It's time to wake up and say good morning. No, let me sleep. Beauty, please wake up. What did I say last night? That we should sleep early and wake up early and exercise every morning. Okay, let's go and exercise. Bye-bye, friends. See you all next time. For upcoming videos, please subscribe to our channel and become our friends.